What's going on, guys? Three Wheels in the Block. I'm here at the Green Machine. We're going to shoot some Rustoleum clear on this hood and see if it's any good. So there's been a lot of mixed reviews about this stuff online. I found some on clearance at Home Depot, and I figured that this would be a great candidate for it. The Green Machine's clear coat is, as you can see, disintegrating. Pretty common on these older GM vehicles. So I'm going to take my DA, hit these edges here, knock this down a little bit, and we're just going to take care of the hood, maybe the top of the fenders. We'll get to the top of the vehicle another time, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using the Rustoleum Autobody Clear to see how long it lasts and if it actually lays good, and compare it to the 2K Clear that I used on this 67 Chevelle, which it's dusty right now, but yeah, there's clear coat on there. Get that dust off of there. Yeah, look at that dust. Crying shame. Crying shame. I'll be using some 400 grit paper and this little handy sander here. I'm going to take down these edges. Unfortunately, I got a little too aggressive in a couple spots and went down to the primer. Like there. And there. Maybe a little bit over here. But yeah. That's quick. 400. Yeah, you got to be on top of it. You may want to do 800 if you're taking care of your own vehicle to make sure you don't burn through your clear coat and paint too quick. I just kind of roughed up these edges. Like I said, this is just a test to see if this product's even going to work. I know my other 2K Clear works well. We're going to try this Rustoleum product, see if it's any good. Doesn't look too bad yet. Pretty deep. I think there's some air or possibly some water in there. My water separator broke midway through the clear process, so it's probably on me. There's a little scratch there in the hood. But yeah, so got a little run action there. Take care of sanding that out. It's clear on a little heavy on that one fender, but it looks clear. Of course, it's still wet. We'll see what it looks like when it dries. We'll definitely see what it looks like when it dries. Lots of overspray. Probably need to adjust the gun some, but anyway, yeah. So the clear coat is on the Green Machine. Looks pretty good. We will check back once this thing dries. I'll pull it out in the sun. We'll take a look at it there, see what it looks like, and yeah, you can still see where I burnt through the paint. But we have put the Rustoleum clear coat on the Green Machine, and we'll pull it outside and take a look and see what it looks like. Oh man, that's what they were talking about. Wow, man, this stuff is super flat. Look at that. So all the reviews I read said that the clear coat does not shine. It just kind of gets flat. I laid it on very heavy. In fact, so heavy on this side that it was running. you can see the gloss is very, very dull. There are no clouds in the sky. You can see the sun there, but the gloss is real. It's very, very dull. It is. Now it is dry. It's dry pretty quick, probably about 20, maybe 30 minutes. But not much in the gloss department. It's kind of disappointing, actually. Huh. I would say we'll cut on it and buff it, but it's not even like orange peel. It's kind of hard to describe, but it looks real, real flat. In fact, it is less glossy than the standard gloss Rustoleum paint. Now, there's an area right there where that tree is. You get a pretty good reflection there. But if we move back some, it starts to flatten out. So I'll give it a day. I'm gonna let it dry out, and we may try a cut and buff on there. But so that Rustoleum Automotive Clear, not really a fan. Spend the extra money, get the 2K clear. In fact, I picked up a 2-pack. It's normally about $50. It was on clearance for 30 bucks, so I figured I'd give it a shot. But you can get some 2K clear for about the same price, especially if you're just doing one panel, and definitely get better results. Alright, so that's my review on the Rustoleum Automotive Clear. You guys saw the product, you saw me put it on, and you saw the finish. Factory finish, Rustoleum finish, and you can see right here, it's almost like it's not even on the vehicle. Yeah, it's just hard to. You want to say hi? Since you're talking. Everybody wants to be the boss. Anyway, so that's it. That's the Rustoleum Clear. My name's Erwin. This 3 Wheels in a Block. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you found this helpful, and save yourself some time. Get you the 2K. Don't even fool with this stuff. I don't recommend it. We'll see you next time.